Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys that I'm going to be resetting everything with Fresh Start Customs. What I mean by that is we're going to be adding brand new photos, brand new instructions for anything that's not 3D. We're going to be working on 3D instructions, new SEO listings. We're going to be doing new descriptions, everything. Just wanted to fill you guys in what was going on, where I've been at, what I'm going to be doing probably for the next month, even longer. I'm going to be doing this in stages, so you'll see the old photos still or older instructions, but I'm going to be working on these over the course of months. It's going to take a long time, but I just want to better the look of Fresh Start Customs. I want to better the experience of it as much as possible. Most of my files already have like 3D instructions and good photos, but Etsy recently made it where whenever you shop in my Etsy shop, it goes to a square in the shop, but a rectangle outside of the shop. So I had to edit it where it would look great in both sections. So I figured I'd just revamp everything all at once. So let's go ahead and let's just reset everything. We're going to go to the computer. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and we'll go from there. So Alright, you guys, so as you can see, here is some of the older photos I was talking about, how Etsy switched to a square design within the shop that you're viewing. So it's obviously cutting off a lot of my edges. I made this baseball card style look here where it had like the wood up top, digital download below, so it's kind of out of the way, and it had these yellow borders. So those are kind of the older style ones here. Let me go ahead and flip to the first page here. Here's more of the newer style ones. So they're more squared. Everything fits in there. It looks great as you scroll through. Let me know if you guys like these newer photos here. I kind of did a mixture of different colors and different backgrounds. Kind of kept like themes, like this was an outdoor theme here. I kind of went through and then I've switched them up, and I've kept some of the like whiter backgrounds. So when you're scrolling through here, you kind of have like a variety of different backgrounds and views. And I kind of like the black backgrounds too, with like this wood look here that has the design kind of pop out at you. So let me know if you guys like this and like the mixture of different photos, or if you would prefer just straight white backgrounds. I think on my 5th page here, I've been working pretty hard. I went more with the white backgrounds on this page for most of them. So let me know if you like those white backgrounds, or if you like the mixture of colors. Like I said, we'll flip back here, and here's kind of like that mixture of colors again. I kind of like the vibe of it. I'm going to just do what I think is best and go from there. And you guys let me know how you feel, but these are a lot of the newer designs. I've got pretty much the first 5 page is, for the most part, completely done. But I've got 12 pages total, so this is going to take a long time. I've been spending countless hours this week doing all of these photos completely over for you guys. And then I'm going to go back through once all the photos are done, and I'm going to change all of the listings to a little bit more condensed listing form, and more it makes more sense. I'm going to calculate all of the heights after everything has been printed, so that will cut down on some questions as well. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope it's well worth the effort to put in to make all these new photos and new designs. I will be taking a break here and there to make newer designs to add to the shop, because I know a lot of you guys are biting at the bit to get new designs. I've just been putting a lot of work into this just to better your guys' experience when you come. But other than that, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.